Hello, and welcome to Understanding Cisco Switching Paths. Back in the days when hubs were popular, forwarding of traffic was done in hardware at layer 1 of the OSI model through the use of shared media, and all hosts heard all transmissions. In today's world of layer 2 and layer 3 switching, traffic is forwarded by consulting information bases, or tables, and the use of a combination of software-based table building and hardware-based switching mechanisms is used to make forwarding decisions. When a switch receives a frame, it places the frame into a port ingress queue. When the switch selects a frame from the queue to process, there are a few decisions that the switch needs to make. For example, where should I forward the frame? Should I even forward the frame? How should I forward the frame? In this section, you will explore how the switch determines where it should forward the frame by consulting the CAM table to make layer 2 forwarding decisions based upon MAC addresses, or consulting a TCAM table to make layer 3 forwarding decisions. The TCAM tables are also used for upper layer processing, such as filtering with access control lists to determine if the frame should be forwarded at all. Lastly, you'll examine the 3 Cisco switching techniques that the switch can use to determine how the frame should be forwarded. For example, should it use process switching, fast switching, or CEF, Cisco Express Forwarding? You will learn the benefits that CEF provides over the other 2 techniques because of its ability to have all traffic switched using hardware and therefore be the least CPU intensive and fastest method of forwarding traffic. Thanks for watching this introduction to understanding Cisco switching paths, and enjoy the rest of the section.